Alright, what's going on? In this video, I'm just going to show you how to download Call of Duty Mobile onto your PC, so you can get full mouse and keyboard support and just play it all around in better quality. What you want to do is go to this website, gameloop.fun. I'll link it in the description. What that does is it downloads a Android emulator, which is pretty sick. So easy peasy, just download that shit. Once you've done that, get loaded up. It's pretty simple. Just load up GameLoop, same as any other application really. That's over here. So when you first come into that, you'll have this screen. You'll be in Game Center and there should be a download that'll come up for Call of Duty Mobile. If not, simple, just search that up, Call of Duty. Boom, first one there. It's on the homepage now as well, so can't miss it. Click download, should be download where it says play. And that'll start downloading here in your games. And when you've done that, you're going to want to just click play and load up the game. So once you've done that, it'll load up into the game. Pretty simple. You can sign in with Facebook or sign in as a guest. Loads up exactly the same as it does on phone. I've got all my sound settings off, but I'll turn that back on. Yep. So good to go. Got all your classes and everything. Works exactly the same as it does on phone. So yeah, pretty simple tutorial. The mouse and keyboard settings are there by default with the emulator, so you don't have to set that up by yourself either, which is pretty nice. That's a good touch. And it runs pretty smooth. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, if this helped you out, chuck a sub. I'll upload some more tutorials and some other random piss in the future. And yeah, sweet.